કેમ છો? મજામાં છો? મારો નામ રૂપેલ છે. Makar Sankranti is also known as Uttarayan in Gujarat, and it is a festival which is celebrated for 2 days. The first day is called Uttarayan and the next day is called as Vasi Uttarayan. The people of Gujarat celebrate this glorious festival with kites, undio and chikki. Many people release a lantern into the air as the mark of the upcoming season. People go on their terrace and fly kites, and when they're able to cut others' kites, they scream, "Kai poche!" Banis are the speciality of Gujarat state.
Hi, I am Adya Nagarshi. Festival of Tamil Nadu. It starts of the Tamil month Thai. The sun returns journey to the Bogi. Thai Pongal, Mattu Pongal, Kanum Pongal, Pongalo Pongal.
Hi, my name is Samanvi. I am going to tell how people celebrate Sankranti in Uttarakhand. Uttarakhand is popularly known as Devabhumi or land of gods. Sankranti, Uttarayani, Guguti and Kalekawa are the festivals which are celebrated in Makara Sankranti. Sankranti is the harvest festival. In this day, people take a dip in the holy Ganga's river for washing away one's sins. People distribute traditional foods like khichdi, tilde laddu. People celebrate by doing Surya Puja, sky flying, bonfires, arts, dance, socialization and cow puja. Children use dough of flour and jaggery to make shapes like drums and swords and knives.
Hello everyone, my name is Aditri. Makara Sankranti is celebrated as Makara Villaku in Shabarimala in Kerala. Makara means Malayalam month, Villaku means lamp, literally translated as the lamp of Makara month. Makara Villaku festival signifies the day on which Lord Ayyappa seated in Shabarimala temple. On the evening of Makara Sankranti, Makara Jyoti, the light of Kakra, is believed to be seen on eastern horizon.
Kambagan. Today I am going to talk about Makara Sankranti in Rajasthan. Every year at 14th or 15th January, Makara Sankranti is also called as Makara Sankranti in Rajasthan. They make sweets such as til laddu, til pat, etc. And they give fruits and gifts for needy people and brahmins. They also invite friends and relatives for Bhoj. Kite flying is the main thing. The sky will be filled with kites. They will cut strings of the kite for fun. Ram Ram San.
People celebrate Makara Sankranti for 3 days in Maharashtra. The first day is known as Bogi. This is when the sun god is worshipped and people step out of the house in the morning to fly kites. The second day is called Sankranti, and on this day, married women dress up in ethnic wear and have a get-together called Haldi Kumkum. The last day is called Kinkarant, that is the legendary defeat of the demon Kinkarasur. Makara Sankranti is celebrated by exchanging sweets made of sesame seeds and jaggery, or as they call it, Tilgu Laddu.
Namaste. Amar Naam Daksha. Today, let us know how do we celebrate Makar Sankranti in West Bengal. A harvest festival celebrated across India is Makar Sankranti. Sankranti means the transmigrations of the sun from one constellation to the next. It is the beginning of an auspicious time. In Bengal, Sankranti is called Paush Sankranti, where farmers start harvesting their crops. We offer prayers and do Lakshmi Puja for welcoming Lakshmi for good wealth. Paush Sankranti in Bengal is also called Pite Parban. Food made of rice flour is called Pite. Payish made of rice and jaggery is specially cooked and offered to God.
Namaste, my name is Dhriti and today I am going to talk about how Makar Sankranti is celebrated in Odisha. Bhubaneswar. People across Odisha celebrated the harvest festival of Makar Sankranti with religious fervor and enthusiasm. The festival is mainly celebrated by the people belonging to Telugu community. Significance of Makar Sankranti in Odisha. During Makar Sankranti, people prepare Makar Chawla, a recipe with rice and jaggery, as the main ingredients. Special pujas are performed shrines such as the Puri Jagannath temple, and the people worship the sun god on this day while the farmers hope for an abundant yield. Interestingly, in some Odisha region, people celebrate the bond of.
My name is Naga Karthikeyan. Sankranti celebrations in Madhya Pradesh. Sun moves north side. Called Uttanayana. People holy bath in Narmada river. Pujas did in temples. They eat dal khichdi. I am Hasini here. I am going to tell a few facts about Lohri celebration in Delhi. It is a harvesting festival celebrated in North India with a tribute to the farmers for their hard toil and labor that enables us to live prosperous lives. Lohri falls on the last day of the month of Paush. Farmers get together to thank Surya for the blessing of heat and warmth that enabled the wonderful harvest. Bonfires, singing and dancing will be seen here. Kite flying also takes place. Sarson ka saag and makki ki roti and sugarcane kheer are the special Lohri food items prepared on this day.
My name is Medansh. Yadavas, Jats, and other communities of Delhi and Haryana and many neighboring states consider Sakrat or Sankranti to be a main festival of the year. Churma, ghee, halwa, and kheeran cooked specially on this day. One brother of every married woman visits her home with a gift of some warm clothing for her and her husband's family. It is called Siddha. Women used to give a gift to their in-laws, and this ritual is called Manana. The husband will sit in a haveli, which is main palace where men sit together and share hookah. Women go to the haveli to sing folk songs and give gifts.
I am Gagana. Mag Bihu is also called Bogali Bihu. It is a harvest festival celebrated in Assam. It marks the end of harvest season in the month of Magh. The festival is marked by feasts and bonfire. Young people make huts from bamboo, known as belgar. They eat food prepared for the feast and then burn the huts the next morning.
Hi, I am Dishita S. Paradise with Sunshine of Goa. Makara Sankranti is dedicated to Lord Sun and celebrated similar to Maharashtra state. Married women visit each other's houses and exchange haldi kumkum, sugar granules, and til pulses. Newly married women offer small clay pots with black beaded threads tied around them and filled with food grains. People greet each other with words Til Gul Gaya Ani God God Bola, which means eat sesame and jaggery and sweeten your talk.
सत श्री अकाल साडा नाम दैविक In Punjab, Makar Sankranti is celebrated as Maghi, a religious and cultural festival. Hindus bathe in a river in early hours and light lamps to give prosperity and drive away all sins. A major mela is held at Sri Muktsar Sahib on Maghi, which marks a historical event. People dance their famous Bhangra. They eat the delicious food like kheer, rice cooked in milk, and sugarcane juice, khichdi and jaggery.
Makara Sankranti is called Kichedi in Uttar Pradesh, and this festival holds a lot of importance. People get together for bathing in Ganga River, a festival associated with nature and sun god.
Namaste. My name is Shrija. The auspicious time of Uttarayana begins from the day of the festival. This is the harvest festival for Kannadiga farmers. They will decorate the front porches of the houses with colorful rangolis. There is a ritual of exchanging ellu bella. Kannada saying ellu bella tindu ulli matadi. An important ritual is display of cows and bulls in colorful costumes